Mate, is your internet crawling slower than a dial-up connection? You're trying to stream, work from home, or just browse time, and it's absolutely painful.
Hey, welcome to Solfix Lab. I'm here to make tech simple for everyday Australians. Today we're tackling one of the most common questions I get: why is my Wi-Fi so slow? Here's the thing. Most Aussies on NBN blame their internet provider the moment speeds drop. And yeah, sometimes it is their fault. Alright, fix number one, Taus, and I know this sounds boring. Restart your router. Unplug it from the wall, count to 30, then plug it back in. If it's stuffed in a corner, behind the TV, or on the floor, that's your problem. Move it somewhere high, central in your home, and out in the open. Fix 3 field. Check which Wi-Fi band you're connected to. Most routers broadcast 2 networks. Every single one of those is eating into your bandwidth. Go through your router app and disconnect anything you're not actively using. Instant speed boost. Here's one most people don't know yet. Fix 5. Everyday household appliances can actually interfere with your Wi-Fi. Fix 6. Type your router's IP address into your browser, usually it's 192.168.01. Log in and check for firmware updates. Manufacturers push updates that improve speed and security. Plug in an Ethernet cable directly to your router. Wired connection is always faster and more stable than wireless. No excuses. Buy a $5 cable and thank me later. Now, after trying these fixes, open your browser and go to fast.com. Run a speed test. Compare the result to the plan speed you're paying for. Here's a bonus tip that most Aussies don't realize. NBN speeds drop significantly between 7 p.m. and 11 p.m. That's called peak hour.
All right, let's do a quick recap of everything we covered. 1. Restart your router. 2. Reposition it centrally. 3. Connect to 5 gigahertz. 4. Now I want to hear from you.
If this helped you out, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. Every week I put out quick tech fixes and tutorials made specifically for Australians. No fluff. In the next video I'm showing you exactly